Axis is 60 mm. The transverse axis is 60 mm. Second point రాసుకోండి. Abscissa is 50 mm. ABSCISSA. Abscissa is 50 mm. And the double ordinate is 120 mm. ORDINATE. Ordinate, double ordinate is 120 mm. Read out what did you wrote. Half transverse axis means you will get only one hyperbola. Here it is given x coordinates, that is 50 mm, which is called as abscissa. Okay, double ordinate which is given to you is known as y coordinate. Y coordinates, x coordinate is abscissa, it is 50 mm. Y coordinates, it is double ordinate 120 mm. So draw the rectangle with the given double ordinate. Draw axis line and name this rectangle as AB is the axis line, and CD top corner, bottom EF as your wish. Name this all four corners and locate ఇంకోటి ఇచ్చాడు మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి దీంట్లో ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ యాక్సిస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ locate the transverse axis from the A. It is 60. మీకు ఇచ్చింది 60 కదండి, 60. Transverse axis is 60. It is O from the A. Now locate some points on the right side. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Equidistant points. Again, half of the points on the top rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Again 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Now draw the lines are joined O to 1, O to 1, O to 2, O to 3, O to 4, and O to 5, O to 6, O to 7, and O to 8. Now from the A, top and bottom dash points, A to 1 dash, A to 2 dash, A to 3 dash, A to 4 dash. Come to the down abscissa, A to 5 dash, and A to 6 dash, A to 7 dash, A to 8 dash. Intersecting points 1 to 1 and 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, P1, P2, P3, P4. Again 5 to 5, okay, 5 to 5, and 6 to 6, 7 to 7, and 8 to 8. So P6, P7, P8 up till P8. Join all these points. This is the hyperbola of transverse axis. I think all of you got it. Do it.